Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fruit cake with tea. Let's begin. So to start the recipe you'll want to get yourself a saucepan and place in the butter, your light brown sugar, your mixed dried fruit and your tea. So once you've done that you can then take it and place it on the hob over a medium-high heat and allow it to come to the boil. Then let it simmer for 15 minutes, stirring it constantly so it doesn't stick to the bottom. And after the 15 minutes it should look like this. The mixture will have thickened up, the fruit will become more plump, and this is completely normal and what you're looking for. Allow it to cool for 10 minutes now before you continue. So once it's had 10 minutes you can go ahead and add in the bicarbonate of soda and just stir that in, and you will notice that a chemical reaction happens, and this is completely normal and what you want to happen. So then you can add in your eggs and just stir them all in until they're fully incorporated. Being careful again not to overmix at this stage. So once the eggs have been fully incorporated you can go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, which is just the plain flour and the spices, and then with your wooden spoon or silicone spatula stir it in until you have a cake batter that's formed. Again, it doesn't take very long, and be careful not to overmix as you don't want the gluten to become too strong, otherwise it will make the cake tough. So once you've got your cake batter you can transfer it to your cake tin and level it out as best you can, either using your silicone spatula or an offset palette knife, whichever works best for you. But then just get it as level as possible before you do the final finishing touch to it. So just before you put your cake in the oven, you'll want to take the remaining light brown sugar and just sprinkle it over the top, and this gives the top a crunchy or crispy topping, which some people like. If you don't want it, leave it out. All the instructions will be in the blog post down below. So here is what the cake looks like once it's fully baked and cooled and removed from the tin. I'm going to cut a piece to show you what it looks like. This is a much quicker recipe and method than a traditional cake, so if you need one in a last minute rush I recommend this one, or you can check out the videos from last year. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again in a couple of days with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out my blog and my social medias. I will leave links to that down below. And if you want to watch any more of the Bakemas from this year or years previously, I will leave a playlist link in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.